see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Oh no, you were the sweetest husband in here.
Your views might go down.
I don't think so. What happened, Sak? My God, you're bleeding. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't like that. What did you do?
I haven't got tissue.
Shit.
Have you got a band-aid first?
Oh no. No nails.
Good one.
Go to the chemist.
That was your shoe.
Just put your shoe on, don't leave it on.
Here.
Wipe up the blood, Chona.
Yeah,
It's all
Sak.
right. Stick that and just put
Now
your
put
foot.
your shoe on. You got band-aids in the room?
Yeah.
There. You're right. Put it in there.
Right, there's blood
Don't
there.
worry about that.
Just don't step on it. So,
My
Nah,
God.
because you'll drink it like when
More can be normal.
No, broccoli's like.
No,
you just step
Come on, don't step on the blood.
you're alright. Don't worry about the blood. Just stick it in your shoe cover. Put your shoe on. Stay on there.
No, the nail's not there.
You don't have to do much.
Happy time sa kanila yung time zone dito. It's loud. Where's your card?
Where's your two card holders?
Yeah. Holly has 2 cards. Give Zach one. Ah, okay. Huh? Hi, Joe. Are you alright, babe? Yung dalawang boys doon, yung maliit. This is like what we did before. Schedule. No, because there's flight. There's usually what's in the morning, no? So where are they going? Hey, where are they going? That's why they're yelling. Sometimes there's a big like bird.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I don't
I
know.
want to do that one. Let's do that one. Not that one.
Are you going there, Papa? No, I'm going too.
What? Seeing Crocken's out. Me and Sophie Crocken's out. I'll go.
How was that? You got blocked? Kuya, was it scary? Teacher was so chill. Tapos na yung boys. Yo, still have mask. Barb. Where are they going? Parang maganda rin dito. Kasi yung dalawa, hindi sila pumasa sa weight. Masyadong mabigat. Yung dalawa doon naman, yung dalawang bata. That girl, look at that girl.
I want
I feel gonna go weird. No, you're alright. That girl, look at that. tayo sa dalawang to. Dito naman yung dalawang girls. Dito naman sila yung dalawang girls sa super cute. So what they gonna do? Up! No red, no red. Go, Mama! What did you do, Sak? Dito naman yung 3 boys. Gagawin to ni Sak. So, mayroon kang pagpipilian. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pipiliin ni Sak. And yung lalaki, ginamot yung paa ni Sak. Nilagyan ng agwaksinada tsaka yung betadine and band-aid. Ang bait niya. Pangalawa na to ni Sak. Sak, what did you choose? What did you choose? Ayan. Yung paa niya may ano din. May seatbelt. May seatbelt. Wala, grabe yung ano, harness. Sak, don't fall. Don't fall. naman. Gagawin niyo yung same kay Zach. Dito naman kayo sa may bowling.
Thinking of glass, ricochet
Oh my God! Oh! Oh!
Just one more drink. Don't wanna think about anywhere else. Maybe I
Oh! Almost!
could you have loved me too if our stars aligned?
Oh!
Different days in a past life, in a past life.
Oh! Oh!
Once in a lifetime, only a moment. That's all you got. Maybe I could have loved you. And then at a time,
Oh!
maybe we were twin flames.
Guys, hindi pa tapos yung bowling.
Fucking hell, that was quick.
Yeah, nagsara na. Kami na nagsara, guys. Oh. Wala na, sarado na. Ito na lang yung door na open, no? Oh, even the escalator. Wala na, sarado na. And nandito na rin yung dalawang girls. Ayan, sumunod sila. Okay, uwi na kami guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
In another timeline, could you have loved me too? If our stars align, maybe we were twin flames.
Who's winning though? You, I think you are.
Same songs with different names.
Yeah.
In a past life. Meet you in a dream. Meet you in a
He just did not. You can't. No, I think he won. I think he won.
Meet you in a dream. Meet you in a dream.
Oh.
Meet you in a dream.
Oops. Bumaba yung dalawa para magbigay ng tip.
You